All right, my waffle just got done making in my new awesome looking waffle machine. I am using whole grains pancakes powder because I am lazy. And voila! Wow, that's super nice. Look, ooh, I cooked it a little longer because I really like crunchy waffles. Look how easy that just like peeled out of there. Oh my goodness. Oh, I can feel it has great texture in the fork. So it is like ready to go. This is super easy. Something I can make quickly and fun for my son. Wonderful. I love it. Look at that. Amazing controls, okay? So it gives you a regular time, and you can add time, take away time, whatever. And if you're not doing that, you can say a bit more time and add 30 seconds. So I did cook my waffle for the complete 2 minutes that it offered originally. It was like 2 minutes and 30 seconds, but I did the 30 extra seconds probably about 3 times, maybe 4, because I like this darker, crunchier waffle. So it's super easy. Once you set your waffle mix in, you flip it. Like that is as easy as it can get. When you're done using it, you flip it off. When you want to use it again, turn it on. When it's ready and heated up, it turns orange and it makes a little beeping sound. Like this is the most high-tech waffle maker I have ever seen in my life. And it even comes with a super easy slide-in tray, so that way you can pick up your spills with no problems. So seriously, this is the waffle maker, guys. This is the waffle maker.